welcome back to my channel. So Holi is round the corner and it is one of my favorite festivals because it has a lot of colors, and that is why I am wearing today a dupatta which is so colorful. So in this video today I am going to share with you some beauty skincare tips or hacks, whatever you call it, which are very important before you step out of the house and get wasted with your friends and family. So let's get started. So let's start with the tip number 1. Let's first talk about our hair. So do not shampoo your hair before the festival, like 2-3 days before. Do not do that. Why? Because if your natural oil will be there in your hairs, that is going to protect you from all the colors. And if you will shampoo it, the natural oils from your hair will go away. So it's better not to shampoo your hair before the festival. Let it be that way. It will be better. Next up, on that day when you're going out to play Holi, put in lots and lots of oil in your hair. You know, that is one day when you should not think of how you're looking, but it is very important to protect what is important, your hair, your skin and everything else. So put in a lot of hair oil. Now I am using this Parachute coconut oil since a long time and it works really well. I understand that we do not really prefer to wear scarves on our head. I would also not do that actually, but then what you can do is either make a bun or make a braid. You can do you can do really trendy fishtail braids or French braids. They really look nice, but do not prefer opening your hair because then you're making it so easy for your hair to get damaged. So instead of opening them, please tie, make a hot bun, messy bun or a braid, anything, whatever you like, but just keep them protected. मैंने बहुत टाइम से ये नोटिस किया है that after you come home after playing Holi, hairline पे when the color gets stuck and it doesn't come out, like it becomes so rigid and it doesn't come out. So what you can do for that is before going out and playing Holi, use some Vaseline and put it on the hairline. So you put your oil in the hair and you put Vaseline on the hairline. So that will prevent the color going inside and then it will be easier for you to remove it also. So the next tip is going to be about your body. Sink yourself in moisturizers or maybe olive oil. I do both. I put on oil first, then I go for moisturizers. I know it becomes a little greasy for a while, but then later it's for our betterment only. So doesn't matter for a day. Also on your face is the most sensitive. So what you can do is use sunscreen, guys. Use sunblock because we know that Holi comes in that weather where it is hot and sun is right on top of your head. So use sunscreen, use sunblocks. What I do is I mix my sunscreen and I mix my moisturizer, both of them together. So that instead of applying 2 layers, one thick better layer. So I'm using this sunscreen which is recommended by a dermatologist. Use any sunscreen and any moisturizer, but have layers on your skin before going out. Next tip is going to be about our nails, our lovely nails. Do not just go without any nail paint on. This is going to be like the tip of this video, is that put a dark nail paint. So I have this black nail paint here to show you guys. Use any dark color nail paint on your nails before going out. ऐसे ही मत चले जाना because if your color gets in it, it's gonna be worse. Also, what we neglect all the time when it comes to our nails is that we only think of the part which is showing, but the part which is inside is equally important, you guys. So what you need to do is on the cuticles and on the inside part of your nails, put some Vaseline. So load this area also with Vaseline, cuticles also with Vaseline, nails also with Vaseline. Plus you need to put your nail paint. So yeah, if you really need to take care of your nails and of everything on that day, you need to spend time preparing your body, preparing your skin, your hair before going out. So take 2-3 hours and do all of these steps if possible before an hour or so. All the layers will be soaked in, all the oil will be there. Next up are the lips. Okay guys, so the lips are the area I feel where color जो है वो सबसे जल्दी चला जाता है and it becomes dry like a dessert. Yes guys, I know that you agree with me, so what you need to do is put loads and loads of lip balm. Also, I've never heard of this, but I feel that this is definitely gonna work, is that when you put on your lip balm, you can also put your lipstick over it. The phenomena behind this is that more the layers you have, more it's gonna be better. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the lip balm, then I'll put a nude lipstick or so. So that will protect your lips 2 times. Yeah. Okay guys, so before the festival, 2-3 days or preferably a week before, do not go for any waxing or threading or any parlor stuff or any skin treatments. Do not go for that. No facials, no bleaches, nothing. Let your skin be. So these are the tips which you should take care of before the festival. Now let's talk about post festival. So when you come back, some tips which you should take care of. When you come and wash your hair, do not wash your hair 10 times guys. That is the worst. That is more harmful than whatever harm has happened to you on that day. So do not wash your hair 10 times in a row. Instead, go slow, go with the process and have patience. Wash your hair with normal water. After that, wash your hair with a good shampoo, maybe twice, and then use a good conditioner. After that, do not go for any heat. Do not dry, do not curl, do not iron, anything. Just let your hair breathe and the color will go off. Then for your face, another face pack which you should definitely go for on that day is some curd, honey and lemon. I've already discussed about this face pack in my winter skincare routine video. I'm gonna link it down in the description. I use this face pack and you could see the results on that video itself. So take some curd, take some honey and the lemon. That is it. Rub it gently, massage it for 5 to 10 minutes and usi mein you will see that a lot of color has already gone. So try this one. Then for your body, another scrub which is the best is that besan. Take some besan and take some milk. Mix the 2 ingredients and you can go take a bath, and before that scrub it well. So after that you've done everything I've listed here and you've done all the steps and you've taken care of everything possible. Even after that you have some reactions, some color left, some itching or anything of that sort. Take some cucumber juice, some aloe vera and some rose water. You just need these 3 ingredients, mix them or use them separately, put them on that area and you're gonna see the difference. It's gonna soothe your skin, it is gonna calm your skin and it will help. So any after reactions if you're facing, cucumber, aloe vera and rose water is what you need. So guys, I think I've covered all the tips and all the hacks I've done. I have a long list in front of me right here and I've covered every point. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it is helpful. I will see you next time. Please hit like if you like this video and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.